Feel the rhythm taking over now. The future is here.
Picture this scene. You walk into a sleek, minimalist corporate office in downtown Shanghai. Behind the polished marble reception desk, a woman sits quietly. As you cross the threshold, her head turns smoothly. Her eyes lock directly onto yours, tracking your approach across the room with complete, uninterrupted focus. When you stop in front of the desk, she gives you a warm, natural smile, tilting her head slightly to the side as you begin to speak. A tiny, instinctive human gesture that tells your subconscious mind she is genuinely deeply listening. You complete your check, thank her, and walk away. Here is the thing. If no one told you the truth, before you walked through those doors, you would never, not even for a single fraction of a second, suspect that the woman behind the desk was entirely manufactured on an industrial assembly line. We are not talking about the clunky metallic, own-inspired machines from 20th century science fiction movies. We are witnessing a profound, permanent structural shift in human history, the arrival of true bionic embodiment. We are talking about custom androids wrapped in advanced medical-grade silicone skin, engineered with self-regulating internal heating networks, natural blinking patterns, and mechanical facial matrices capable of projecting fleeting, split-second human emotions. These machines are no longer high-cost prototypes locked away inside pristine university laboratories. They are actively stepping out into the real world, taking jobs as corporate receptionists, customer service guides, and domestic care providers. Right now, the Chinese robotics ecosystem has unleashed a new generation of hyper-realistic bionic humanoids. They are so physically lifelike that people who interact with them in person report experiencing a profound sense of psychological vertigo. The boundary between synthetic mechanism and biological presence is completely collapsing. Today, we are stripping away the internet hype to give you the absolute factual reality of this technological revolution. We are going to break down the 5 most sophisticated, hyper-realistic humanoid models emerging from this space, correct the widespread factual errors circulating online, and uncover the massive economic forces driving this disruption. By the time we reach the definitive number, 1 machine on our list, you will understand exactly why the global technology market is paying undivided attention to what is happening right now. The spark, Jia to understand just how incredibly fast this technology is evolving, we have to look at where the modern pursuit of absolute physical realism actually started. It began as a highly focused academic proof of concept called Jia, unveiled by researchers at the University of Science and Technology of China back in 2016. For the technological landscape of 2016, she represented a monumental leap forward, featuring a delicate, highly symmetrical facial structure capable of maintaining simple conversations synchronized with basic eye tracking. But the moment that permanently anchored Jia into internet history was a highly publicized, completely unscripted live interaction. During a press demonstration, an international reporter leaned in abnormally close to inspect the synthetic skin on her face. The robot paused, adjusted her gaze directly onto the reporter, and calmly stated, "Do not come so near to me when you are talking. I feel uncomfortable." That brief, 10-second interaction spread across the global digital space like wildfire. It resonated so deeply because it wasn't a static script. It simulated a defense of personal space, a uniquely human, deeply intimate social boundary. Jia was never mass-produced, but she served as the ultimate industrial blueprint. She was the definitive spark that proved if a university laboratory could achieve this level of social presence with limited resources, a scaled industrial application could redefine human-robot interaction forever. The mass production line EX robots, while academia proved what was theoretically possible, industrial manufacturers in the coastal city of Dalian took that vision and translated it into raw, physical scale. The specialized facility operated by EX robots is optimized for a startling objective, the mass assembly of hyper-realistic human facsimiles. EX robots went massively viral when raw video documentation from inside their factory racked up tens of millions of views. The footage felt entirely surreal. Rows of disembodied silicone facial masks suspended from racks, mechanical titanium skulls undergoing calibration, and fully formed android figures sitting quietly in assembly chairs while technicians adjusted internal wiring. The factory utilizes an advanced, medical-grade silicone formulated to match the exact texture and warmth of living human tissue. If you stand mere inches away, you notice micro textures that are typically impossible to replicate mechanically: faint freckles, microscopic moles, and the delicate outline of artificial veins mapped just beneath the translucent surface. Technicians even implant real human hair into the silicone scalp, one single strand at a time, to ensure natural growth directions. To shatter the uncanny valley completely, these androids feature internal pneumatic systems that simulate natural respiration cycles. Their chests gently rise and fall in non-rhythmic, organic patterns. This level of custom craftsmanship commands a premium price tag of up to $275,000 per unit. But these aren't museum showcases. They are actively deployed right now as functional receptionists, medical administrative assistants, and corporate brand ambassadors across major metropolitan centers, interacting with thousands of daily citizens who frequently have no idea they are engaging with an artificial entity. The consumer disruption, Robotics, as large industrial manufacturers focused on high-budget corporate clients, a highly disruptive startup in Beijing took the technology in a completely radical direction. Founded by elite Tsinghua University alumni, Robotics recognized that to truly democratize the humanoid revolution, they had to smash the extreme cost barrier, keeping these machines out of everyday life. Online rumors frequently claim that Robotics only produces static upper torso busts. That is a massive factual error. In late 2025, Robotics shattered market expectations by officially launching the Boomy, a compact, fully autonomous, bipedal walking and running humanoid robot. What sent shockwaves through the international tech sector was its price tag, exactly 9,998 yuan, which translates to roughly 1,380. For the first time in history, a fully mobile, functional humanoid robot integrated with advanced AI was brought to market for less than the cost of a flagship consumer smartphone. The initial pre-order allocations sold out entirely within hours. Standing under 1 meter tall and weighing a highly optimized 12 kilograms, the Boomy features 21 distinct degrees of freedom, meaning it has 21 independent moving joints, giving it the structural flexibility to mimic almost any human posture. These joints are driven by custom-engineered actuators capable of delivering 50 Newton meters of peak torque. To put that in perspective, that is enough explosive mechanical power to crush an aluminum soda can or snatch a falling object mid-air. Designed as an open, embodied AI platform, the Boomy can recognize household objects, execute vocal commands, track family members, and navigate domestic environments. Robotics effectively initiated the consumer desktop moment for humanoid robotics, proving that intelligent hardware doesn't require a $250,000 budget, it requires visionary vertical integration. The illusion of the soul, a head form, while mobility and low-cost manufacturing represent crucial vectors of the robotics race, another critical frontier lies within the mastery of non-verbal emotional communication. Humans are hardwired to detect microscopic inconsistencies in facial expressions. A delay of even a few milliseconds can cause our psychology to reject an interaction as completely fake. This is the precise domain where the Shenzhen-based pioneer Ahead Form has established absolute dominance. Their flagship creation, the Elfschwan series, became a viral phenomenon when high-definition footage of the android performing a live vocal piece was uploaded online. The global comment sections erupted in disbelief, intensely convinced they were looking at a human actor wearing hyper-stylized makeup. The secret behind the Elfschwan's jaw-dropping realism resides completely within its internal control network. The head module houses over 42 independent, ultra-quiet brushless motors that act as direct structural stand-ins for human facial muscles. Instead of cycling through a rigid, pre-programmed index of expressions, they operate via proprietary emotional foundation modeling system that maps real-time audio frequencies and linguistic text directly into organic facial movements. When the elf Schwan speaks or sings, the face moves in perfect synchronization with the vocal track. You observe the subtle tightening around the outer eye margins that indicates genuine surprise, the soft, multi-stage unfurling of a smile, and the tiny pauses that characterize organic thought processing. A headform seamlessly integrates these physical modules with advanced large language models and vision language models. Hidden high-definition optical sensors situated directly behind the pupils allow the robot to maintain eye contact, read the facial expressions of the human speaker, and adapt its emotional output responsively. If you speak to her with a somber tone, her internal neural network registers the acoustic shift and instantly projects micro expressions of empathy and concern. A headform has successfully demonstrated that the most critical element of a social humanoid is not its ability to walk, it is its ability to make humans believe there is an active mind looking back at them through the machine's eyes. The definitive masterpiece, Droid Up Moya. This brings us to the absolute pinnacle of current bionic engineering. The machine that represents the realization of the decade-long journey initiated after the launch of Jia. Unveiled by the elite engineering collective at the Shanghai-based startup Droid Up Moya, stands as the world's premier, fully biomimetic humanoid entity. Standing 165 centimeters tall, she maps perfectly to the physical proportions of an adult human, yet weighs an astonishingly light 32 kilograms thanks to an advanced carbon lattice skeleton. Unlike traditional humanoids that utilize heavy, rigid metallic plates, Moya is designed from the bone structure outward to mimic genuine human anatomy. Using hyper-efficient, proprietary tendon-driven actuators rather than conventional heavy industrial gearboxes, Moya achieves an unprecedented 92% human-like walking gait accuracy. The mechanical, robotic jerkiness that instantly exposes a machine is completely absent. She shifts her weight organically, incorporates micro pauses in her strides, and navigates physical flooring with a fluid grace that completely bypasses the defensive warning signals of the human brain. But the true engineering triumph lies within her multi-layered synthetic skin composition. The external silicone is backed by an innovative internal padding engineered to simulate the precise density and shifting properties of human soft muscular tissue. When you make physical contact with Moya, whether through a formal handshake or a supportive touch on the forearm, your fingers do not press against a hard, unyielding internal chassis. You feel a natural, soft compression that perfectly mimics human biology. This tactile illusion is completed by an integrated, self-regulating thermal grid that keeps the entire surface area of her skin at a continuous, lifelike temperature between 32 and 36 degrees Celsius. High-definition cameras concealed completely behind her pupils feed real-time visual streams into an onboard emotional recognition algorithm, enabling Moya to instantly read human emotional states and respond with corresponding vocal inflections and appropriate non-verbal gestures. Slated for scaled commercial deployment toward the end of 2026, with a price point of approximately $173,000, Moya is intentionally positioned for high-end hospitality, advanced educational enrichment, and comprehensive eldercare environments. She is the definitive proof that the gap between biological life and mechanical artifice has vanished. The global split, when we step back and examine the global landscape of robotics, a massive structural divergence becomes incredibly obvious. The international robotics industry has effectively split into two completely distinct philosophical paradigms. The Western philosophy, developers like Boston Dynamics and Tesla have heavily prioritized overt industrial utility and transparent mechanical aesthetics. The design ethos is explicitly clear. These are highly capable, sophisticated machines, and they look exactly like machines. They utilize exposed metallic linkages, carbon fiber structural shells, and visible wiring. The goal is to build maximum utility while ensuring the human user is always fully aware they are interacting with an appliance. The Eastern philosophy, conversely, the Chinese robotics ecosystem has chosen the diametrically opposed path of absolute seamlessness. They are optimizing for a reality where the machine completely integrates into our social fabric without triggering our psychological defense mechanisms. The goal is to build an artificial entity so physically, tactfully, and emotionally authentic that your subconscious mind entirely forgets it is engaging with a construct of silicon and motors. The West is building the ultimate tool. The East is manufacturing the ultimate companion, driven by powerful demographic realities, like rapid population aging curves. The necessity for autonomous eldercare systems and hospitality automation has become an existential priority in Asia. In these sensitive spaces, a cold, metallic industrial machine can induce anxiety and resistance among elderly patients. A warm, hyper-realistic presence like Moya, however, provides an immediate psychological bridge, fostering deep trust and genuine human comfort. Every single one of the advanced models we have deconstructed today is no longer a theoretical concept trapped inside a technical research paper. They are physical realities entering our corporate offices, our medical institutions, and our domestic spaces. Imagine you walk into a medical care center tomorrow, and a medical assistant holds your hand to comfort you before a major procedure. You feel the perfect warmth of their skin, witness the authentic empathy in their eyes, and feel a natural pulse, only to later discover that the entire entity was a tendon-driven machine assembled in a factory. Would you accept that comfort as completely real, or would you feel profoundly betrayed? Drop your specific theories and analytical thoughts in the comments section below. I will be actively engaging with the most compelling arguments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss our upcoming deep dives into the quiet revolutions reshaping the global technological landscape. We will see you soon in the next one.